In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline in EA app. If you want to appear offline while using the EA app, you can do so by changing your online status directly within the app. This lets you enjoy your games without showing your friends that you're currently online. It's a simple setting that only takes a few moments to change. Start by opening the EA app on your PC and signing into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner of the window where you'll see your profile picture or avatar. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, look for your current online status. If you're currently online, it will typically display as online. Click on your status to open the list of available presence options. From the available options, select Invisible. This status makes you appear offline to your friends while still allowing you to access the EA app and play your games normally. You'll continue to have access to your game library, and you can launch and play supported titles without appearing online to your friends list. After selecting Invisible, your status will update immediately. You can continue browsing the EA app, managing your game library, and launching games as usual. Your friends will see you as offline until you decide to change your status back. If you ever want to appear online again, simply click your profile picture in the top right corner, select your current status, and choose Online. Your friends will then be able to see that you're active in the EA app once again. Keep in mind that appearing offline only changes how your status is displayed to your friends. It doesn't affect your ability to access online features within supported games, and some games may still display in-game activity depending on their own online systems. And that's all there is to it. By changing your status to invisible, you can enjoy your games with a little more privacy while still having full access to everything the EA app has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.